Rate of change of mass per unit area is given. So we're given, so we have that, so dmdt is 45 kilograms per second per square meter is given. And so we want to multiply that by the area, which is 1.6 meters times 0.5 meters. So the square meters cancel, and you get 36 kilograms per second as the rate of change of mass. And then velocity is given as 120 kilometers per hour. And so multiply that by 1,000 meters to get rid of kilometer, and then multiply that by 1 over 3,600 to convert from hours to seconds. And so this is 33.33 meters per second. Therefore, the force on the person, F sub P, is just V times dm dt, or m times dv over dt. But in any case, it's 33.33 meters per second times 36 kilograms per second, giving us 1,200 newtons. And so the maximum force due to friction, F max Fr, is mu times mg, mg being the normal force, and when mu is 1, that is just mg, so that's 75 kilograms times 9.8 meters per second squared, giving us 740 newtons. And so the force on the person is greater than the maximum force from friction. That's it.